Hi, my name is Philip Matthew Isingo, and for today's video, I will discuss the elimination of arbitrary constants. Ano nga ba ang elimination of arbitrary constants? Ang elimination of arbitrary constants is one way of obtaining a different equation is through the process known as elimination of arbitrary constants. To determine the correct differential equation, the following properties must be satisfied. Next, ito na yung example natin for elimination of arbitrary constants. First of all, may correction tayo dyan. Y yan, hindi V, kaya nagkamali lang ako, sorry. Kaya Y yan, Y equals AX squared plus BX plus C. Yan yung unang equation natin. Ngayon, tatlong constant sila. And bale, tatlong beses natin sila i-derive. First derive natin, y prime equals to a quantity 2x plus b plus 0. Bakit? Kasi ang pag dinerive natin yung ax squared, magiging a quantity 2x. Tapos pag dinerive natin yung bx, magiging b. Pag dinerive natin yung c, magiging 0. Kaya tanggalin lang natin si 0. Ang second equation natin is y prime equals 2ax plus b. Ngayon, may isa na tayong may y prime na tayo, may isa na tayong na-derive. Ngayon, dalawa. Ito na yung pangalawang derive natin. 2ax plus b, i-derive natin yan. Bale, magiging double prime, y double prime equals 2a plus 0. Ang derivative ng 2ax is 2a and ang derivative ng b is 0. Bali, matatanggal lang natin yung 0 dyan. Bali, ang third equation natin is y double prime equals 2a. Ngayon, last na natin de-derive yan. Bali, de-derive natin yung 2a. Magiging y triple prime equals 0. Yun lang po. Thank you for listening.